Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another community reading session by the Bibliophile family. Today, we will be reviewing Focus on What Matters by Darius Poru, chapter 35 and 36 by Ami Saxena. So, over to you, Amiji.
Thank you so much, Palak. A very, very good morning to everyone. Um, a very happy Women's Day to all great women present today, and a very happy Women's Day to all mothers, wives, sisters of all the great men present here today, and daughters too. So, on that note, I think we'll delve right into the presentation. Please just let me know if I'm clearly audible to all of you. Some of your emojis would work. That's fine. Thank you. And the presentation is also clearly visible to all of you. Yeah, thank you. So, Focus on What Matters by Darius Foro has been on our community book reading platform for quite some time now. And the people who have reviewed chapters before me, I have attended some of the presentations, the reviews, and they've done a brilliant job. I will try to give my best. Before I begin, I'd just like to say that self help books have never been my genre of reading. So, this is going to be slightly challenging for me. I hope I can do justice. I hope I can give my best insight. And I took up this particular book and the chapters because I found the way of presentation, the format of presentation, really very beautiful, very meaningful, and very relatable and easy to follow. And I said, what better way, than to start with something like this? So, yes, I'll be dealing with chapters 35 and 36 to start with. I just like to ask you all a few questions to ponder upon as we go through chapters 35 and 36 together. So I'd really love if some of you can, share what you think about these certain questions that I've come up with as to, do you see personal growth as mostly luck or talent, or as a daily effort? So friends, I'd like to have some contributions from you. What do you see personal growth as? Is it all about luck? Is it all about talent? Or is it about putting in daily effort? Anybody? Would you like to answer?
Yeah, I think daily effort has a big share in the personal growth. Obviously,
It's
luck,
combined
talent
of
matters.
all of these things.
Yeah, someone said talent also matters. Okay, that's great. All right. So now, if you were to rate on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you say do daily habits drive real change? So at Bibliophile Family, I have observed, and it's been a very positive thing where everyone lays a lot of stress on small daily habits. We have the Swadharma challenge. We have so many other talks that happen on all our different various platforms that TPF has introduced us to, where we give importance to showing up. Doing it is probably not as important as showing up. I'm not saying it's not important, but yeah, you show up, you're there for yourself, you're accountable, and I think that matters. And those small daily habits, they really bring about a change. When stressed, are you mentally or physically tough, or do you fold? Do you give up? Do you give in? Can you think about it and just probably a few of you can just share it with us, or maybe make a mental note. आप गिव अप कर देते हैं जब आप स्ट्रेस्ड होते हैं मेंटली या फिजिकली, या आप टफ रहते हैं? It's actually a very important question to ask one's own self.
Yeah, tough usually. Like in mostly stressful times, we are and tough. Yeah. And Amiji, are you able to see our chat box?
No, I'm not. Oh, okay, okay. I am accessing it on a different platform. Oh, lovely. Okay, I can see it now. Great. Okay. So you have all given your ratings. Thank you. Okay. How regularly do you train body and mind for discomfort? I think this is something very important, but we should also be mindful कि हम इतना ज़्यादा अपने आप को डिस्कम्फर्ट सहने के लिए ट्रेन ना कर दे कि हम गिव इन ही कर दे उस चीज को. समटाइम्स इट ओवर पावर्स अस. सो देयर शुड बी अ बैलेंस आई फील वेयर यू ट्रेन योर बॉडी एंड माइंड फॉर डिस्कम्फर्ट इन द सेंस कि हर बार लग्जरी होना, लग्जरी मिल पाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. कभी कभी डिस्कम्फर्ट में रहने की आदत होनी चाहिए. जैसे गर्मियों के दिन हम यूएस में या किसी फॉरेन कंट्री में तो नहीं रहते हैं जहाँ पे वेदर अचानक से चेंज हो जाएगा. तो वो थोड़ा सा डिस्कम्फर्ट हमें झेलने की आदत होनी चाहिए जहाँ पे हम तपती हुई गर्मी में भी रह सके, ना कि बस भागो सीधा और एसी में बैठ जाओ. ये अगर आप नोट करेंगे तो आजकल की जनरेशन की बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है that they're not able to bear the sunlight or the heat even for a moment. गाड़ी में बैठे एसी, घर में आए एसी. अब तो स्कूल्स में भी एसी स्कूल्स होने लगे हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज वन very, I don't know, I'll not call it a negative thing, but that's a bad thing to happen to children because when we were kids, we hardly had the fans working. So, and it would, I mean, hardly had them working in the sense, एक ब्लॉक होगा जिसमें one fan and there used to be this row of children. पंखे की हवा सब तक पहुंचती भी नहीं थी. But we never cribbed, we never complained because that was routine, that was a part of us. So we were actually training our minds and bodies for discomfort, and which I think is very essential. Moving on, in which area in life are you waiting for the perfect moment instead of acting now? I think all of us do somewhere. हम कितना भी बोल ले, नहीं नहीं नहीं, हम अभी एक्ट कर लेते हैं. बट देर आर टाइम्स व्हेन वी नो वी आर वेटिंग. ऐसा होगा तो ये करूंगी या करूंगा, ऐसा होगा तो देखा जाएगा, ऐसा होगा तो ये होगा. सो आई थिंक there are moments in life where we wait for the perfect moment instead of acting now. Would anyone like to share any such moment? Or, I mean, I can move forward. That's absolutely fine. मेरे साथ रीडिंग में होता है ऐसा. अगर घर शांत होगा तो मैं पढ़ने बैठूंगी. अगर लाइट सही होगी तो मैं पढ़ने बैठूंगी. अगर एक भी मैसेज ना आए, एक भी कॉल ना आए तो मैं पढ़ूंगी. अगर कोई दरवाजा ना खटखटाए तो मैं पढ़ूंगी. एंड द फैमिली सेज तो हो चुका, इतनी बुक्स यू कलेक्ट करके रखी है, वो पढ़ ली है, उनका क्या. बट टाइम हैज चेंज नाउ. आई थिंक when you start aging you have certain expectations. But well, I think I should act now, read a lot more, and not wait for that perfect moment. वो कभी भी नहीं होता है. That was a side joke. Okay. So moving on, chapter 35 is building a better version of yourself. So, what is this chapter about? The core punch of the chapter is, progress isn't a surprise lottery win, or it is not just an overnight genius moment. Progress is actually forged brick by brick through determination, through commitment, through everyday self work. One needs to put in effort. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि बूंद बूंद दरिया बनता है. So similarly, you give your every bit and results आएंगे definitely. There is a saying, and even Bhagavad Gita says, कर्म किए जा फल की अपेक्षा मत रख. सो यू पुट इन योर एफर्ट, उस समय आपको लगेगा शायद क्या फ़ायदा, क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा, क्या हो जाएगा, but results will definitely show up. So it is that everyday self work, it is that everyday polishing of yourself that you do, which will definitely bring about a better thing in life for you, which will sure give you a better version of yourself. So that is actually what this entire chapter or the letter talks about. So इसमें हमें वो जो स्टोइसिज्म का जो एक एको मिलता है वो क्या है? इट इज क्लियरली दिस दैट प्रोग्रेस इज नॉट अचीव्ड by luck or accident, but by working on yourself daily. So this is the underlying message that is coming across to all of us through the letter. And at the end of chapter 35, when you see what is the main takeaway, it says, rather, what I felt was quit outsourcing your growth to fate. यूं होगा तो देखा जाएगा, ऐसा होगा अरे ये किस्मत में नहीं था. सो मोटिवेशन हाइज होने चाहिए, ऐसा होने से ही यूं होगा. आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम व्हेन आई स्पीक अबाउट माय पर्सनल सेल्फ. आई am not a very physically outgoing person. I shirk from exercising, I shirk from walking, though I know it is very essential. Somehow, honestly, I keep waiting for that perfect moment, you know. गर्मी अभी मैंने आपको बताया ना, डिस्कम्फर्ट के लिए ट्रेन करो तो मुझे ऐसा होता है गर्मी कम होगी तो मैं चलने जाऊंगी. अब गर्मी तो कम होनी नहीं है, and अहमदाबाद इज हीटिंग ऑलरेडी लाइक अ भट्टी, यू नो. सो वो मौका कब आएगा, वो मोमेंट कब आएगा? फिर मैं बोलूंगी अरे हाँ मेरे फुटवेयर ठीक नहीं है, आई नीड टू बाय अ न्यू पेयर ऑफ शूज. I'll get shoes and I'll say, well, when I was buying them, they were very comfortable. अभी ना बहुत टाइट हो रहे हैं या बहुत लूज हो रहे हैं. So that's why I'm not going to walk. So this is what happens, you know. I quit it to a lot of fate, you know. ऐसा हो गया मेरे साथ. Today, no, I did not sleep the entire night and practically आज मैं सोई नहीं. सो सुबह मुझे लग रहा था मैं पलक को मैसेज करूँ कि व्हाट इफ आई स्टार्ट डोजिंग ऑफ ड्यूरिंग द प्रेजेंटेशन, बट आई थॉट लेट मी बी टफ, यू नो. नो नो, आई हैव टू मेक दिस प्रेजेंटेशन बिकॉज मैंने प्रिपेयर किया था ये रिव्यू. सो आई रियली वांटेड टू. सो वेल, quit outsourcing it to your fate and a motivation high. Just do it. किसी दिन करूंगी. I was doing that. I think Palak is very much aware of the fact that initially I was not so participative. आई यूज टू होल्ड बैक. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि अरे मैं तो लोगों से प्रेजेंटेशन करवाती थी, मैं तो लोगों से रिव्यूज करवाती थी, मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ? आई I should not. I cannot. I'm just here to sit and assess लोग कैसा कर रहे हैं. But then the assessor also needs some brushing up, right? Because unless and until you continue doing, it's like swimming. Swimming छोड़ दोगे तो सिर्फ पढ़ने से स्विमिंग नहीं आएगा. Similarly, yeah, thank you, Palak. I knew it would click, you know, immediately. So, driving, I gave up driving a few years ago because of a small fear, and now I have left it to fate. And my husband often laughs at me, कि अभी इस जीवन में तो तुम सपना देखना छोड़ ही दो, अब इस जीवन में गाड़ी नहीं चला पाओगी. Because that is what I do. I keep putting it off. अभी नहीं, अभी नहीं. He says if you want to, just be at the steering wheel. Don't don't fear so much, and go for small drives. You know, not that I should take a car and start traveling the world, but a small effort, a daily effort. So यही बात होती है. अगर आप कर सकते हैं तो well and good, good for you. So lock in your daily inward focus like habits, mindset, character, and watch the version of you evolve. So, like I said, आपका yourself जो है, आपका अपना आप जो है, वो श्योर शॉर्ट इवॉल्व हो रहा है. हर पल इवॉल्व हो रहा है. हर वो बुक रिव्यू जो हम सुनते हैं, हर वो शेयरिंग जो हमारे फ्रेंड्स और कलीग्स इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे करते हैं, every person you meet on a daily basis, you know, is adding on to our own evolution. We are changing. इट इज इम्पॉसिबल कि आप चेंज ना हो. I always tell my children, not just my own biological children, but I always used to tell my students that कितना भी बोरिंग क्लास क्यों ना हो, अगर आप वो 40 minutes उस क्लास में बैठते हैं, देयर has to be, there ought to be, and there will be a sure short takeaway. You will definitely learn something from those minutes that you have invested, because a human being is made to evolve. अगर आप evolve नहीं हो रहे हो, you are definitely in a vegetative state. So, this is what chapter 35 is talking about. Now, I just want to pause the presentation for a moment, and I would like to ask you, I do not mind reading from the text also. So, would you like me to read passages out of the text, or is it okay if I continue giving a review of um, the chapters?
Yes, please continue with the review.
Okay, okay, thank you. So, I love the way the letters are so short, the way they are so direct, they're so, meaningful, that by the time you start the chapter, it comes to an end. But the best part is, in that short period, it gives you so much. There is so much that you gain. Every letter has such a beautiful lesson to give. So, chapter 36 is about on the value of training your mind and body. The core punch from the chapter of this chapter is that a truly good life isn't handed to you soft and cozy. You earn it by deliberately training both body and mind to eat discomfort for breakfast. Show up. That's it. Every morning. Each morning is not the same. Sometimes you don't want to wake up. Sometimes you just don't want to do it. But I remember Sher Singh ji often saying that showing up is very important, and that is what even I believe in. That kuch bhi ho jaye, just show up. Show up for yourself. See, if there is no one watching you, there are at least two people watching you. Kuch bhi ho jaye. There is God, boliye, superior power, boliye. God is watching you, and then there is yourself. There is your inner self, which is going to be proud of you. Oh, great, you showed up today. Great, you did it today. There are times when you're not feeling well and you feel कि अरे आज नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं जाना कहीं. But get up, get ready, get ready to be the best version of yourself and show up. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? You will be slow, you will not be able to, you know, be up to pace. That's fine. Nobody is going to execute you for that. Nobody is going to hang you for that, right? So just show up. And it's like I always my Nana ji, he was a businessman. ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे नहीं थे, but he was the person to bring Pennzoil जो oil आता है, lubrication oil. He was the first one to bring that US based company oil to Gujarat for the first time. So I'm talking about those times. एंड वेरी स्ट्रेंजली जब वो मुझसे बात करते थे, मुझे कई सालों तक ये नहीं पता था कि मेरे नाना जी ने स्कूलिंग नहीं करी, मेरे नाना जी ने कॉलेज नहीं करा. बट ही ऑलवेज यूज टू से टू थिंग्स, एंड दैट इज वाई आई ऑलवेज थॉट कि वो बहुत पढ़े लिखे हैं. एंड नाउ आई रियलाइज वो सही में पढ़े लिखे थे. I'll share a very beautiful saying with you in a while. So he used to say, God helps those who help themselves. This is what has stuck with me from those days. And the other thing that he always used to insist is, rain or shine, the show must go on. People in the US believe in this. My Nanaji has ingrained this into my life. Rain or shine, the show must go on. So what I was saying, trying to say is in Gujarati, there is a very beautiful way of putting this कि जब कोई पढ़ा लिखा नहीं हो पर लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस से पढ़ा लिखा हो ना तो उसको बोलते हैं भणेला नहीं पर गणेला. सो दे आर नॉट एजुकेटेड, लिटरेसी भले नहीं ली हो उन्होंने बट लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस से उन्होंने उस लिटरेसी को भी पार कर लिया होता है. So these are two things that come to mind when you think about life not being handed over to you very easily. Everything is not on a silver platter, everything is not on a gold platter. उसके लिए भी किसी ने कहीं ना कहीं मेहनत करी हुई होती है तो जाके जनरेशन्स को उस तरह से सर्व होता है. पर वो जनरेशन्स फिर कैसी होती है वो हम सब जानते हैं, हम देख चुके हैं. सो आई एम श्योर we none of us would want to be in that vegetative state. So just show up for yourself. So what is the stoic ego here? Echo here that virtue isn't abstract thinking; it's forged in active, repeated practice, facing what sucks. Sorry for the use of the language, but yeah, sometimes life does suck. There is no harm in saying that. पर उसी चीज को फेस करना, what sucks the most? Maybe getting up early in the morning, maybe doing something that you don't like, maybe doing something which puts you into discomfort. Doing that repeatedly in a practiced fashion, forging ahead, forging ahead actively, you know, that becomes a virtue. It is not just abstract thinking, oh, I do not speak ill of the others, so I'm very virtuous. Oh, I do not harm others, so I'm very virtuous. That is not virtue all the time. हाँ, thoughts definitely होना चाहिए पर उसके ऊपर फिर active action भी होनी चाहिए. Right? So that is it. And the main takeaway from chapter 36 is make training non-negotiable maintenance. Physical toughness for endurance and mental toughness for unshakable calm. So that life's curveballs bounce off you instead of knocking you flat. Instead of the ball coming at you और आपके सर को चोट पहुंच जाए, learn how to duck, you know, learn how to, और duck मतलब negatively नहीं कह रही हूँ, duck कीजिए, खेलिए, be in the game, be a part of the game, be active, have that, readiness to train yourself, learn how to, bounce off the ball that is coming at you. Don't get knocked off, but play with the ball. So ट्रेनिंग को आपकी लाइफ का इतना अगत्य का और इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट बना लीजिए, इतना अहम हिस्सा बना लीजिए कि उससे यू आर क्रिएटेड, उससे यू इवॉल्व. Don't let it hit you on the face. So, this is the main takeaway of chapter 36. Now, there is a connect between chapter 35 and 36. So, chapter 35 talks about the commitment. It says, show up daily for self work because you don't need a fairy godmother. You don't need a fairy to take you across somewhere. You are the one who needs to go there. फेरी गॉड मदर आएगी, मैजिक वॉन्ड घुमा देगी. आजकल के ज़माने में तो हैरी पॉटर स्टोरी भी आ गई है अब. सो डम्बलडोर आएंगे, हाथ पकड़ के ले जाएंगे. दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. दैट डजंट हैपन इन रियल लाइफ. इट ओनली हैपन्स इन फेरी टेल्स. और इसीलिए उनको फेरी गॉड मदर बोला गया है. इसीलिए उनको हमारे किसी आंटी का या हमारी मम्मियों का नाम नहीं दिया गया है. बट अगर आप देखेंगे तो सही माने में लाइफ में फेरी गॉड मदर्स होते हैं, जो आपके मेंटर्स होते हैं, जो आपके वेल विशर्स होते हैं. दोज आर द रियल फेरी गॉड मदर्स. यू डोंट नीड वन विद अ मैजिक वॉन्ड. मैजिक वॉन्ड किसने घुमाना है? आपको ही घुमाना है. Nobody is going to work that want for you. So do it for yourself. Have that commitment and show that you yourself can do it. Show yourself that I am there for myself. Be there. And chapter 36 is the training ground where, Foro is talking about hammering the mind and the body with real discomfort to become anti-fragile. आजकल के ज़माने में फ्रजाइल होने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता है, कोई मतलब नहीं है. You need to be anti-fragile. So when does that happen? When you are hammering your mind and your body together and you are undergoing some real discomfort. Again, like I said, अपने आप को डिस्कम्फर्ट का इतना भी आदी मत बना दीजिए कि आप बोले अरे आइस मैं तो तपस्या करने गर्मी में ही बैठूं, ये करूं वो, ऐसा नहीं करना है. देयर शुड बी अ बैलेंस. अति नहीं किसी चीज में. डू नॉट resort to extremes. So, together, when we look at chapter 35 and 36, it talks about ditching passive wishing. ये हो जाए तो ऐसा हो, वो हो जाए तो वैसा हो. That's passive wishing. Instead, build an unbreakable core through routine, repeatable grind, the kind that turns ordinary days into quiet victories. हम बोलते हैं ना छोटा छोटा small steps, even if it is baby steps, does not matter. So I remember out of the Swadharma challenge, that is what I started doing, restarted, where I'd given up a lot of things in life because of life circumstances. होता है, सबके साथ होता है. And then आपको थोड़ा सा ऐसा भी वो हो जाता है ना, आफ्टर अ सर्टेन एज एक वहम होता है कि मेरे बिना तो जिंदगी चल नहीं सकती, औरों की is more important, right? So you give yourself. आप अपने आप को निचोड़ देते हैं and you feel that, oh, only if I am there will my older one be able to manage her things. Only if I am there, my younger one will wake up in the morning. Only if I am there, my husband will eat for the day. मेरे टिफिन्स कई बार भरे हुए वापस आते हैं. नॉट बिकॉज आई एम देयर माई हस्बैंड ईट्स, मेरे हस्बैंड को मन करता है तो बाहर खा के आ जाते हैं, राइट? सो that is when you start realizing, that is when it starts hitting you. I gave up myself for everyone. I gave up doing what I loved the most. I need not have done that. So stay committed to yourself. Those small little actions that you do for yourself may seem ordinary, like we do, like we read, like we talk about, being physically active. So all these things, seemingly small, they actually make each day of yours a victory for you. And the day you start doing that, you will have an evolved self for sure. Okay, so while I was reading these chapters in particular, when I looked at the book and the format, I came up with a very important thought for myself, because I do that at the beginning of every text. And then I shared it with Palak, and she said, yeah, I might as well discuss it with all of you. That, have you ever wondered that why Darius Foro has resorted to the form of letters for his book? Why has he used letters? Why has he used this form of writing for his readers? Has anyone ever wondered? किसी ने सोचा? I'm sure ख्याल आया होगा किसी न किसी को. We have a lot of ways of writing. People write in the form of narratives. People write in the first person. People write in the third person. People write it as, a novel, a novella, a short story. Why letters? Anybody? Would you like to share? Letters feel more personal. Yes, definitely.
One to
That
one communication.
one to one connect. Yes, yes. That is a one to one connect.
And I think it's by like Marcus Aurelius also gave in the form of a diary entry his
Ye-
book. So
Yes,
maybe like
yes.
that.
He has stuck to that original form. It must have appealed to him also. So that would have been one reason. So yeah, it's like a direct inspiration from Seneca, modeled after the ancient Stoic philosopher. Seneca's letters from a Stoic. So I think that is one reason. And it's a deliberate format choice. जब आप सेल्फ हेल्प देखते हैं ना, जब वो मान लीजिए एक टेक्स्ट फॉर्म में लिखा जाए, तो लोग बोर हो जाएंगे, बेचारे ऑलरेडी कंफ्यूज्ड हैं इसलिए सेल्फ हेल्प बुक पढ़ रहे हैं, उसमें भी आप उनको लेक्चर देंगे, तो इंसान कहाँ जाएगा, खो जाएगा बेचारा, डिप्रेशन हो जाएगा। तो उसको छोटा छोटा पॉइंट्स बना के अगर आप प्रेजेंट करते हैं, अगर आप लेटर फॉर्मेट में लिखते हैं, तो आई थिंक इट हेल्प्स द पर्सन. So what I feel, it's a deliberate format choice, and the letter style itself is part of the message. So here the format is the message that, okay, I understand you. And here I'm giving you a short letter. Go through it. You might be able to pick up something for yourself. Also, there is a personal mentor like communication. Like Sanjay ji ne mentioned here, that it's a personal touch, It feels like direct advice from a wise friend or a mentor rather than a formal lecture or textbook. Just what I said before this, that there can be a lecture, there can be an interactive lecture. So when there is an interaction, it becomes more meaningful, it becomes more engaging. And then I think the brevity and the focus also matter. आप संक्षिप्त में जितना बता सकते हैं, उतना ज़्यादा मायने रखता है लोगों के लिए. They enjoy that. So each of the 70 letters or essay is short, centered on one core idea. Example, be it happiness or resilience or relationships, wealth or health. जब इस तरह से आपको प्लेटर में सर्व करा जाता है ना, okay, let me try this, let me try this. आज मैं, I mean, if we think of short versions, short stories, they become easier for us to follow. बहुत लंबा लंबा होगा तो थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए. So that kind of thing. I'm not saying that one does not read novels, because I have grown up reading novels and I love reading novels. But when it's a short story, you can do multiple things at the same time. Modern adaptation of timeless tradition. So it makes ancient Stoic philosophy feel immediate, relevant, and accessible in today's chaotic, distraction filled world. So just like we treat our own Bhagavad Gita, it's a timeless classic, एक ग्रंथ है, पर हमें एक इमीडिएट कनेक्ट फील होता है, बिकॉज वी नो कि those were lectures, not lectures, long lectures, but those were teachings given to Arjun, and we can relate to it every time we go back to it. एक श्लोका उठा लिया, एंड उस समय आपका जो मनोस्थिति है उस पर डेफिनेटली फर्क पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आपको एक डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट लगता है वहाँ पे, because you know that this was the format that was used at that point in time. So it also feels accessible today to us. Non-linear and flexible reading. You can go from one letter to the seventh letter to the 35th letter. Okay, I do not need to follow a chronology. So when that is something which is given to me, I would definitely love to take it up. Every time it is not possible to set aside time to sit and read, So sometimes you want things which are quick and easy reading, quick access. आज एक लेटर पढ़ लिया, ओके, एक घंटे बाद लगा तो कुछ और पढ़ लिया उसी में से. So that really helps, when there is a flexibility in your reading. Just like I mentioned, about Bhagavad Gita also, आपका just the state of mind that you are in, you approach a shlok and you get some sort of repose over there. So, what is the impact of this kind of letter format on the readers? It creates an intimate and relatable connection, right? Gives you a personal feeling, and it seems as if someone is writing to you, some friend is talking to you, and it does not feel like, oh, bhashan mil raha hai. It's not preachy. दिस इज फॉर मी. आपको लगता है, ओ, ये तो मैं भी सोच रहा था, ओ, ऐसा ख्याल तो मुझे भी आया था, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. It's easier to absorb and remember because it's short, because it's direct, okay, and it encourages daily reflection. It's like you're journaling डे टू डे बेसिस पे जब आप लिखते हैं तो एक कनेक्ट फील होता है, एंड देन इट बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ यू. It also promotes deep self reflection. It invites pausing to apply Stoic ideas to one's own life, and it aligns with Stoic emphasis on introspection. So there's a lot of self reflection, there's a lot of introspection, and that is, I think, that is what we all are seeking today. It also reduces overwhelm in modern life, right? So छोटे छोटे लेटर्स होंगे, डिस्ट्रैक्शंस नहीं होंगे आसपास, फटाफट से एक चीज पढ़ के उस पर हम रिफ्लेक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड इट ऑल्सो सर्व्स एज काम रिमाइंडर्स टू प्रायोरिटाइज व्हाट ट्रूली मैटर्स. एक होता है कि मैं आपको भाषण दूं 1 घंटे का, 2 घंटे का, कि क्यों फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इंपॉर्टेंट है, इससे आपका ये फायदा होगा, इससे आपका ये होगा, ये होगा. अरे आई नो ऑल दोज थिंग्स, व्हाई यू टेलिंग मी. और एक होता है जब एक काम रिमाइंडर आता है, डिड यू वॉक टुडे, डिड यू मेडिटेट टुडे, did you eat healthy today. So when that kind of a reminder comes up, it immediately strikes you, have I done it, have I not done it. So when there are such calm reminders, which of course these letters provide to us, it helps us. And it also encourages practical application and habit change. And of course, this kind of format feels refreshing versus that typical self-help जहाँ पे लंबी लंबी चीजें लिखी होती है. And like I said, a person might really get depressed इतना लंबा चौड़ा पढ़ के कि what am I doing with my life, क्या हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ. So उससे अच्छा है कि एक लेटर में अच्छे से समझा दिया जाए, छोटा सा हो, you start and it ends. So well, that is what I thought about, and I thought I'd share with you. With this, I come to an end of my presentation of the review of chapters 35 and 36, and I'll stop sharing also. Thank you very much, all of you, for yet again being such a wonderful audience. And I thoroughly enjoyed reading and reviewing these chapters. And I'm thankful to Sher Singh ji for giving away his Sunday to me today. He was supposed to present, but I don't know, I was over enthusiastic. मुझे पता नहीं था और मैंने प्रिपेयर कर लिया था. So when Shungeri asked me and said कि आपको next Sunday करना है, I said नहीं नहीं मुझे इसी Sunday करना है. And she said, should I request sir? I said, पूछ के देख लीजिए. So thank you very much. And thank you everyone for being such a lovely audience. I hope I've been able to motivate some more of you to read it further, if at all. And I hope all of us have a very meaningful, a very purposeful, and a very, self-involved Sunday. Let us think, let us delve deep into our own selves. And yeah, thank you very much, all of you. Palak, I think you're on mute.
Excellent session, wonderful explanation. It was a review of a kind. Like we are experiencing this. Like it's like a literary book review, not a like community reading wala review, and it was amazing. Like we
Thank
were
you.
hooked. I know you might know that we were hooked because we are not reacting, we were not commenting, we were just listening to you intently. So yeah, this happens when the review is amazing. Thank you so much, amazing.
Thank you.
We can take a selfie first, and then I think we can discuss the chapters if you would like. Yeah, Shiv sir, would you like to take a selfie for all of us? Okay. So I would request everyone, please turn on your cameras. आकाश जी, संजय जी, रुमित जी सब वॉक पे हैं. वंडरफुल.
Ready, everyone? Smile. Done. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shiv sir. Thank you, everyone. Yes, anyone would like to share? Rumit ji, Shweta ji.
Yes. Yes, good morning, Amiji. Thank you. I was just listening your conversation when I was in not in the session. Actually, I was in yoga session, so I joined late. तो आपने बताया कि मैं यू आर नॉट दैट मच रेगुलर इन द सेशन, फिर आपको ये लगा कि मैं तो रिव्यू लेती हूँ, हाउ कैन आई गिव रिव्यूज. So this in this context we are very fortunate कि हमारे जो योगा कम्युनिटी है, whenever we go there, our teachers are more dedicated practitioner than us. So they are like that living example. Whenever I see their post, they post every day on the morning. Oh, and their thought process, their practice is so deep, so intense, so humble, so that you are bound to just get into the practice, nothing else. Whenever I see, even I have been there for only 2 weeks, but the way they practice, the way they think, oh, it is amazing. But yes, this session was too good because हम तो क्या है कि बस किताब पढ़ते हैं और बस सेशन दे देते हैं, but it was like something away from that line उससे था, but really बहुत लर्निंग था. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Wonderful. Yes. Shweta ma'am, would you like to share? Jyotsna ji is also here. Good morning, Jyotsna ji.
Good morning, everyone. Wonderful session, ma'am, as always. And yeah, a lot of things were relatable, lot of takeaways. Like you said, sometimes we postpone. Maybe, जैसे आपने कहा reading, yeah, it was very much relatable to me. मेरी बेटी का ये एग्ज़ाम हो जाएगा, फिर मैं थोड़ा टाइम निकाल के पढ़ूँगी. ये हो जाएगा, फिर मैं थोड़ा व्हेन आई विल बी लाइक जब विंटर्स हो जाएँगे, आई विल बी लाइक एग्ज़ाम्स खत्म हो जाएँगे, तब मैं करूँगी. इस तरह से हम कुछ-कुछ चीज़ें प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते रहते हैं. बट देन वी हैव टू लर्न दैट इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रायोरिटीज़. मतलब हम जो डिसाइड करते हैं, वो हम कर ही लेते हैं. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी रिलेटेबल. थैंक यू मैम फॉर दिस जेंटल रिमाइंडर.
Very true, Shweta ma'am. Thank you. Yes, Rumit sir, would you like to share? Everyone, please share your views.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. And first of all, Amiji, you are a wonderful reviewer because हमको पता ही नहीं चला कि टाइम कैसे निकल गया. And we were listening कि it should be, हम बस सुनते रहे. It should be endless. So that is your USB, I would say. And thank you for that. And secondly, you are asking कि जैसे discomfort या stress में physical strength, mental strength. So first of all, I would say कि for me, I would say that travel is our guru. मतलब it teaches us how to cope up with the discomfort and stress, and it makes you, suitable for every situation, every challenge. And it also teaches how to convert every challenge into the opportunity. So that is a lot of difference. And as far as physical strength and mental strength is concerned to handle the discomfort or stress, I think mental stress overpowers the physical strength because, of course, physical strength is basic. लेकिन अगर mental strength नहीं है, so you will not be able to handle or manage anything because if even if you are physically not fit but mentally you are fit, then you can definitely manage. That we have seen in many stories, many examples, and even experience also. So that is there. And also you covered a lot of aspects and you explained very nicely. And of course convey our thanks to your princess. Very nice PPT always, every
Thank you.
time
Thank you so
uh, you are showing us. And you made our Sunday weekend. And of course, very happy Women's Day to all the beautiful lady. Not only physical, but mental wisdom and inspiration providing to us. And TBF is like a oxygen for us. Uh, so it nurtures us with lot of wisdom and knowledge, and that's why we are very much thankful. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Romiti.
Thank you so much, Vanessa. Okay, anyone else would like to share? Okay. Um, I think everyone should share today, especially I would like all the women here to say something. It's Women's Day. It's a gorgeous Sunday today. And yes, I would like to share something about the chapter. I was very intrigued when I was reading it. So in chapter 35, it's written, when we experience setbacks or when things don't do go the way we want, we have a tendency to find someone to blame. It is so true, and sometimes it's not someone else, it's us only. And then it's like you're constantly telling yourself you're bad, it's okay, all everything happened because of you, you did this. So it's very mentally discouraging. It's not good to do that, and he's reminding us. So thank you, Amiji, that you told us about this. And another one was like this is very true for me. हम अभी भी discuss कर रहे थे in some other book that about jealousy and when people judge you. So he is reminding that even though people are judging you, even people are jealous of you, you maintain the energy, you maintain your kindness, even though there is a negative energy. So it's so uh, such a good thing to listen to. कि हाँ, such assuring words by him. So yeah, that's it from my side.
I think
Would
Palit, I think that is the real virtue, not saying that मैं तो बहुत अच्छी हूँ या बहुत अच्छा हूँ, but actually when there is a situation, being able to maintain the kindness that we have, that we talk about, at that point in time, if we can balance it out, I think that's the true virtue. सिर्फ
okay.
ख्याली पुलाव नहीं है. But people mistake it for that. बोलने से, oh, I'm very good, I'm very nice, I sympathize with you, I empathize with you. अरे नहीं, जब जरूरत है तब ना बोल के जो एक्शन करते हैं ना, वो वर्च्यू होता है.
So true, man. Such a beautiful reminder that even in the adverse circumstances, how we are and how we are maintaining what we are striving for. So yeah, and the kindness, both the chapters told us to be kind first towards ourselves, and then in every circumstance towards others. So even
Like they
that person
say,
is jealous.
charity begins at home. That is
Okay.
very true. First help yourself. Only if you are fine, you'll be able to extend it to others. If you are happy, you'll be able to extend that happiness to others. मन में ही जब आपके इतना तनाव होगा, and there is so much of ऊपर नीचे all the time, I don't think we can share it with others. और वो fake दिखता है जब आप जबरदस्ती करते हैं ना, तो it shows.
Wonderful review, ma'am, and wonderful chapters actually. Each and every chapter can be read multiple times, can be learned from
Yes.
multiple times. It's such a wonderful book. Yeah. Okay. Jyotsna ji, Anuradha ji, Meghna ji.
या बहुत ही अच्छा सेशन था अमी जी. एंड आपने जो एग्जांपल दिया आपके ग्रैंडपा का, आपने कुछ गुजराती में बोला, फड़वानो નથી ઘડવાનું છે, कुछ बोला आपने,
ભણેલા નહીં પણ ગણેલા.
पढ़ेला નથી but घड़ेला. Right. That's a good quote from Gujarati. I like that. Very true actually. People were very intelligent, our ancestors, right? And that is why we are intelligent, and our generation will become intelligent. So thanks a lot for these chapters.
Thank
Very
you.
nice, and happy Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies here.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you. All right. Anyone else would like to share? Jyotsna ji, good morning. After so long, we are seeing you in the session. Long time no see एकदम.
Hello, good morning, and happy Women's Day, everyone.
Good morning. Same to you.
Missed the session, maybe I'll catch it. But I thought on Women's Day I should come and wish everybody.
It is so good to see you here. Always a refresher seeing you. Going places, going to Varanasi, coming back, then going somewhere else. I'm glad you joined here as well. All right. So yes, yes,
आई
yes, yes.
अभी तो मैट्रिक का एग्जाम खत्म हो गए 10th के ना, अभी तो हम बोलते थे एग्जाम खत्म हो जाएंगे तब मैं करूंगा, तो नाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट. Those who are waiting, yesterday my daughter came, पापा मेरा एग्जाम खत्म हो गए, now I am on flying. तो my wife asked, बेटा तुमने पढ़ाई किस दिन की, ये बताओ ना, किस दिन तुम टेंस लगी थी. Every day she was sleeping. And I always say, beta, please don't take stress of the exam. Don't take, because in his like class test, she used to score very less. So when I met her teachers, so they told us कि पढ़ने में intelligent है, वो बात भी करती है, question भी पूछती है. So then I was very like puzzled that how to resolve this issue. Then I asked my daughter at my home, बेटा क्या बात है, you are doing everything. पापा मैं एग्जाम में डर जाती हूँ, मैं पजल हो जाती हूँ. तो उस दिन के बाद में वी नेवर आस्क टू बेटा टू रीड, वी ऑलवेज टेक बेटा टेक रेस्ट, डू नॉट गेट स्ट्रेस. So now the exam is over. So at least those ladies who are just waiting that हम एग्जाम के बात करेंगे, बच्चों के एग्जाम के बात करेंगे, they can start.
सर आई कैन रिलेट विथ यू एब्सोल्युटली. जो आपने बोला डिट्टो, हाँ, सेम टू सेम. पर एक उसमें मैं एडिशन करूंगी कि एग्जाम के बाद करेंगे, फ्री हो गए. अब दूसरा टेंशन शुरू हो गया सर कि 2 महीने निकालेंगे कैसे जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आता, करवाएंगे क्या, मतलब ये तो ऐसा हो गया ना, सर पे नाचते हैं बच्चे, तागड़ दिन ना चल रही होती इन लोगों की. सो नाउ माय नेक्स्ट टेंशन, आई हैव अ लिस्ट सर. I always put it off until something, because अब इसके बाद ये, अब इसका ये हो जाए, अब 1.5 महीना में जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा क्या कराऊंगी इसके साथ, ये पूरा दिन सोती रहेगी या लैपटॉप पे बैठी रहेगी. सो या आई नो आई शुड
Yeah,
आस्क देम टू जॉइन TBF. हम लोगों को एक
kids वाला.
वोकेशनल गाइडेंस वो भी शुरू करना चाहिए जहाँ पे पूरे दिन लगे रहे वो लोग. So I can understand and relate.
We will ask artists of the community, Shweta ji, Zainab, इनकी classes में बैठ के. Yeah, and
Yes,
thank you, Rohit sir. Yeah, beautiful
even
Darshan.
whenever I get lost and whenever I read all these books, now only one thing the Bhagavad Gita says that कि जीवन की यात्रा अपने से लेके अपने द्वारा और अपने तक ही है. Everything is illusion. Everything is just like making no sense. Only one sense which makes to me कि जीवन की यात्रा खुद ही करनी है, खुद के द्वारा करनी है, खुद तक ही है. तो फिर किसका वेट करना है और किसको बताना है, किसको पूछना है, किसको सुनना है. जब हमने ही करना है, हमने ही स्टार्ट करना है, हमने ही खत्म करना है, तो why to wait? And whenever we just got this alignment, whenever I got just मैं गाड़ी पट्टी से उतर जाती है, then I reflect कि यार मैं कहाँ पे I got lost myself. So self awareness, maintenance, it always keeps us on track. And yes, वेरी बेस्ट. हमारा तो आज बहुत बड़ी पार्टी है लेडीज की, आज वुमेन्स डे की, तो दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग. वो तो रात से ही हैं, 2-3 पार्लर गई, ये गई वो गई, कपड़े ये है वो है. They all,
हमारे वहाँ रंग पंचमी है आज. It's if you all know, in Indore it's a very big celebration. The whole tanker of colors come to the public and they are drenched in color. I'll share the video. It's a public event. So at Rajwada it happened. So yes, I'll share the pictures. And I really want to invite all of you for Holi here. Like Indore ki Holi is next level. At least Rang Panchami. Yeah. वंडरफुल शेयर सर लाइक बच्चों से लेकर गीता तक great great insights you have, and we all are able to, not I but all of us are able to relate about kids. I am able to relate to what my parents did back then. So no gentle parenting. This is very new to me. Uh, Beta sole and beta don't take tension is another level of another universe for me. Never happened. Okay, all right. So I think with that we can wind up the session. Tonight we don't have any session. Let's celebrate Women's Day, and I hope yeah. And for Dharma participants, if they are here, you are being scored. So please, this is the last week of Swadharma challenge. So I hope you continue with all the zeal. Only 5 days are left. So yes, continue very well. All the people here are Swadharma OGs sitting here. Jyotsna ji, Ami ji, Rumit ji, Shweta ji. ये सब एकदम ऐसे ज्योत्सना जी रोमित जी तो one for dharma also, so please be inspired from them and work. Yeah, okay, so with that we can come to the end of the session. Thank you so much everyone for joining, and happy Women's Day to all. Yes, we love you too, Jyotsna ji. And put your messages, posts for Ami ji and Women's Day. Let's celebrate it in the group. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Ami ji.
Bye bye.
Thank
Thank
you.